How to make homemade Zarda Zest, Eid Festival Special, affordable for beginners, Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Eid Mubarak to all of you celebrating. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're going to show you how to make a traditional Eid dessert Zarda Zest. It's colorful, flavorful, and absolutely perfect for celebrating the joyous occasion of Eid. The best part? It's beginner-friendly and won't break the bank. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup basmati rice. 2 cups water. 1 cup sugar. 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter. A handful of mixed nuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios, etc. A handful of raisins. A pinch of saffron strands. A pinch of cardamom powder. A pinch of food coloring, optional. Rose water, optional, for added fragrance. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Rice preparation. Start by rinsing the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. After soaking, drain the water and set the rice aside. 2. Boiling the rice. In a pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Once boiling, add the soaked rice to the pot. Cook the rice until it's about 80% done. We want the rice to be slightly undercooked as it will continue to cook later in the process. Once done, drain the excess water and set the rice aside. 3. Preparing the sweet syrup. In a separate pan, add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Stir well until the sugar dissolves completely. Then, add a pinch of saffron strands for that beautiful color and aroma. You can also add a splash of rose water for extra fragrance. Let the syrup simmer on low heat until it thickens slightly. 4. Adding flavors. Now, it's time to add some flavor to our Zarda Zest. In the same pan with the syrup, add a pinch of cardamom powder for that lovely aroma. Feel free to get creative here. You can also add a dash of your favorite food coloring for vibrant colors. 5. Mixing the ingredients. Once the syrup is ready, add the partially cooked rice to the pan. Gently mix everything together until the rice is evenly coated with the sweet syrup. Be careful not to break the rice grains. 6. Adding nuts and raisins. Now comes the fun part. Add a handful of mixed nuts and raisins to the rice mixture. We're using almonds, cashews, pistachios, and raisins, but you can use any nuts or dried fruits of your choice. These will add a delightful crunch and sweetness to our Zarda Zest. To finish off, drizzle some ghee, clarified butter, over the top. This will not only enhance the flavor but also give our Zarda Zest a beautiful shine. Give everything a final mix, and our Zarda Zest is ready to be served. Absolutely delicious. The flavors of saffron, cardamom, and nuts come together beautifully in every bite. And the best part is, it's so easy to make at home. Trust me, your friends and family will be impressed by your culinary skills. And there you have it, homemade Zarda Zest, perfect for celebrating Eid or any special occasion. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved ones. Until next time, happy cooking. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes and festive ideas. Eid Mubarak once again. Assalamu alaikum.